Welcome. Take a moment to settle into this space. Feel the ground beneath you, the air around you, and the quiet that begins to open as you arrive. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Allow yourself to release the day, the thoughts, the plans, the expectations. For now, there is only this moment. Nothing else is required of you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly release it through your mouth. Again, a deep, full breath in and a long, gentle exhale out. Let each breath signal to the body it is safe to relax now. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice where it meets the surface beneath you. Do you feel heaviness, support, maybe even lightness? Allow the shoulders to drop. Soften the jaw. Relax the space between your eyebrows. Let the belly release. Now begin a slow scan of your body, from the crown of your head down to your forehead, to your eyes and cheeks, to your mouth and neck. Notice any sensations, warmth, tingling, stillness. Simply observe without judgment. Move your attention to the shoulders, down through the arms, to the palms and the fingertips. Feel what is there exactly as it is. Bring awareness to the chest, to the beating of your heart, to the belly rising and falling, to the hips, the legs, the feet touching the ground. Your whole body is here, present in this moment. Now gently shift your attention to the breath. Notice the cool air as you inhale. Notice the warmth as you exhale. You don't need to control the breath. Allow it to flow naturally, as if you're simply watching the tide move in and out. With every inhale, new life enters. With every exhale, the body releases what it no longer needs. If thoughts appear, let them. Notice them with kindness. Then let them drift away like clouds floating across an open sky. Each time you return to the breath, you are straightening your mindfulness. Now widen your awareness beyond the breath. Notice the sounds around you, nearby or distant, soft or strong. Instead of labeling them as pleasant or distracting, just let them be part of the landscape of this moment. Feel the air touching your skin, the temperature in the room, perhaps the gentle rhythm of your heartbeat. Everything that arises, thoughts, sensations, sounds, are all part of this present moment. There is no need to resist, no need to hold on. Simply observe, like a witness sitting on the riverbank, watching the water flow by. You remain steady, spacious, aware. Bring your focus back to the breath. Take a deeper inhale now and a slower, longer exhale. Again, inhale fully and exhale completely. Notice the calm that fills you with every breath. Notice the ease in your body, the quiet in your mind. Gently return awareness to the body, to the hands and feet, to the surface supporting you, to the space around you. Take one last deep breath, and as you exhale, release any remaining tension. When you're ready, softly open your eyes. Notice how you feel. Perhaps more grounded, more open, more at ease. And remember, this sense of presence is always just one breath away.